Ready to secure your child's Minecraft account? Let's update privacy and safety settings now. Open Minecraft and tap the profile icon in the top left to access your account. Select Settings, then choose Privacy and Online Safety under the Account menu. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted to manage family settings. Find Communication and Multiplayer, then toggle Who can chat and join games. Set Play with Friends Only or disable Multiplayer to limit strangers. Next, open Content Restrictions to control allowed content and age filters. Enable Safe Chat and restrict mature content using the available age filters. Enable Require Invite or choose Only People on the Allowed list for multiplayer invites. Adjust voice and text chat settings to friends only or turn off chat entirely. Use Microsoft Family Safety to add child accounts, set screen time, and monitor activity. Privacy tip: review friends regularly and teach your child safe sharing habits. Revisit settings monthly.